Christian. That's Julian. Julian. Hi. He's a little sick. Christian's a little sick. We're all a little sick. Yep.
Ashley.
You have to move back. You're too close. Sit with Julian. See?
Hi.
How old are you, Christian?
3 months old. My cat.
3 years old, not 3 months. How old is Julian?
Just 5.
5 months old?
Yeah.
I think he's probably like 7 months old now.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost 7.
Where's me?
I don't know. Julian wants to be on the camera too. Julian wants to see too. Hi, Julian. Go zoom into Julian. Hi. Hey, you're blocking the camera. This is Julian. Hi, Julian. Christian. Julian wants to be in the camera too. What are you doing? Why are you blocking Julian? Julian just fell over because he was trying to lean into the camera. Are you alright? Oh. Okay. Wait. I'll show you how to help him. Oh. Stay back there. You're coming too close. Sit back there. See? Julian wants to see too. Sit with Julian.
Wait, stop it. I do my old and look at it. Here.
Sing one of your songs. Sing a song.
E B C I G E B C I D I don't want P. To your eyes, one in D.
Good. Sing another one.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You walk down the street.
Good. Another one.
Spider-Man, he there. Spider-Man, he there. Spider-Man, he there.
You're too close.
Daddy! Spider-Man, he there.
Okay, another one. What is that? What is that?
Hot.
A hawk. Okay, do another one.
Daddy!
Hold on, I want to see Julian too. You have to share. Okay, you have to sing a song then. Sit back there and sing a song.
Go playing just.
Okay. Another one.
Jojo! Jojo!
What's that one?
Jojo!
I don't know that one. Who sings that one?
Jojo!
I don't know that one. Which one is that?
Do.
Okay, how about another one?
Do.
Sing another one. A different one.
I got poo-poo. I got poo-poo.
Okay, then go poo-poo. Go.
Wait, don't turn off.
Okay, I won't turn off yet. Go poo-poo and come back. Alright, go. Bye-bye. That's Bruce Lee, huh?
Yeah.
You got the right eyes for it. Don't mess with me. I'm Bruce Lee.
Uh-oh, I got poo-poo.
Okay, go poo-poo. Hey, Julian, here you go. See?
Okay, I'm a poo.
Hey, go poo-poo first. Go. I'm going to turn it off. See? Look, Julian. Here you go. You want to sing a song too? Huh? You want to say something? You want to touch it too. Okay.
I wish it meant to go.
Look in here. Yeah. See? Say hi, Julian.
That's Julian.
Okay, if you're looking at the lens, then you don't need to look in there. All you have to do is look in the lens. Yeah, hold it up and look. See?
Hi, Julian.
Lift it up, though.
Hi, Julian. Hi, Julian.
Good job.
It's cool. Hi, Julian.
Press the red button to stop it. Okay. Now you see how it's turning record? That means you're recording. Press the button again. It says record. Okay? That means on. Okay, red means on. Press the, okay, stop it. No, stop it first. Okay. Now you're recording. Yeah. You can turn this a little bit more like this so you see better. Okay?
Hey, Daddy.
Hi. Point it up. But you gotta hold it.
Hey, Julian. You're funny, Julian.
You're a camera man.
You're funny, Julian. You're funny, Daddy.
Now go
You're
record
funny.
money. Careful.
Fine.
Don't drop it. It's very delicate. Don't drop it.
Look at you.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Christian. You're doing such a good job. You see me?
Don't drop it.
I love me too. Me too. I say Julian. Hi, Julian. Hi, Daddy. I say funny.
Hi, Christian.
You funny, Julian. You funny, Daddy. You're funny.
You look funny. Julian's not happy. Right, Julian? You want to play too? No. Huh? What's wrong? Huh? You want it too? Putting it on to save it. Okay?
Hi. It's bigger.
Is it recording? Is it red?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, this truck.
When you're not recording, you press the button to stop it.
Hi.
Stop it. Okay.
I can't see it, Daddy.
You have to take it out of your eyes and just hold it up like this. Just look in here. Hold it up now.
I can see it. I can see it.
You're too close. You need to go back.
I see it too.
You have to go back far. You look a little tired. Alright, let's go find your mother.
And her Brown. That's right. Larry Brown's brother, one of his assistants.
Huh? Where are you going? I told you.
Hey, Christian, stop it.
You scared me.
I'm sorry, stop it. Christian.
I just like to fall downstairs.
I don't record while you're going downstairs. You have to stop it if you're going to go downstairs. Okay?
Mhm.
If you do that, you're going to fall. Okay? Stop recording.
Huh?
Stop recording. Okay, stop. Click stop. You need to put that in your eye and record when you're going downstairs, okay? It's dangerous. I'm sorry that I scared you, but
Yeah.
I thought you were going to start walking down there. Cool, huh? Go over there. Don't do it near the stairs, okay? I don't want you to fall down there. Come here.
Look.
Come record over here.
Don't scream.
Record mommy and daddy. Don't drop it, okay? Let him play with this. You record Julian playing with the toys. That's too close.
What's car? It's the best.
Sure, Jim. Press stop. Press stop.
They have not changed the call. Washington will not overrule, and the Pistons get a timeout. 6:18 to play in the half.
Excuse you.
You're 7.5 months, buddy.
This is the Pistons Television Network.
Cone here.
Go big one now.
It's got the two front teeth coming in there.
One's pretty much out. The other one's coming.
Ooh, take it easy.
And like most people, my eyes are very important to me. I admit it, I was nervous about laser eye surgery, but since I had laser done, the difference has been unbelievable. Everything is crystal clear. The procedure was simple, and my days of wearing contacts is gone. But don't
He's a little sick.
Introducing Arby's new Market Fresh Low Carb Wraps featuring the new Chicken Club Wrap, diced grilled chicken, natural cheddar, thick cut pepper bacon, and honey mustard. All in a soft meat wrap made fresh when you order. Lots of flavor without a lot of carbies. Okay, who ate it? Try any of Arby's new line of Market Fresh Low Carbies wraps featuring the new Chicken Club Wrap. There's Shaquille O'Neal. You know, if you don't like Shaq, in my opinion, you got to be paying attention. A good guy. Pistons up against him tonight, though, and when you're playing against him, you're up against him. Antonio McDyess and Chauncey Billups with some ideas on what the Pistons have to do to get a much-needed win.
To pick up the tempo, we got to play hard. I think our effort been pretty lazy lately. I think, we've been assuming when we step on the court that it's an automatic win. But just, thinking we can cruise through the first 3 quarters and pick it up in the fourth. I think we just got to, pick up the tempo in the beginning of the game. Team effort there. Just being unselfish on both ends of the court. Helping one another out. That's what it's going to take to pull us out of this rut.
Chauncey and the Pistons back on the floor against Miami, 6:18 to play in the half. And I want to wish good luck to Joe Abramson's sister Molly and Phil Swarinski. They're getting married tomorrow. Everybody's at the game tonight. They got a couple of suites upstairs. And there's Joe, our longtime statistician.
A couple of suites? Wow.
This must be big time. 40 people upstairs in suites. That costs a little cheese. Good luck, Molly. Best wishes. On the timeout, Christian Laettner misses it. There's Doliak. Doliak misses another tap. And this will be Piston ball. The last call, a little bit questionable.
Yep.
Miami did not make use of the extra possession. And it's 32-27 Heat. Here come the Pistons with just under 6 minutes to play in the game. Give and go, Rip and Rashid, and a whistle in the middle of it.
They're going to pick on Christian Laettner right there.
I think it's Anthony Anderson. Nope, they did, and he and Laettner come out. Eddie Jones and Udonis Haslem check in. Stay tuned for our Wallside Windows halftime report. Turkey time with Rip Hamilton. Pistons scoring star. Also, we'll revisit Lamb's lowdown and have a conversation with assistant coach Gar Hurd about the Pistons have played the first half. They played pretty well so far. Rashid misses a turning gun there. Miami with a 5-point lead in the ball. 5:35 to play in the half. Eddie Jones penetrates. Damon Jones misses the 3. Eldon Campbell with good position. Ahead to Chauncey. Chauncey right down the lane. And Rashid gets it back and draws the foul. Looks like Doliak got a piece of the shot. Eddie Jones will be whistled for his second foul.
And Durko comes back in the game. Extended early minutes for Durko. That's got to be a compliment.
Change the foul to Michael Doliak. Not Eddie Jones, so Eddie Jones with 1. And that's the first time Doliak. But Miami is in the penalty. LeBron James is coming to town before Santa Claus does. It'll be Thursday the 16th. 43 on the Pistons on Wednesday. We'll be here December 16th. First 5,000 get a snow cap.
I see.
LeBron Mansion.
I see. You see. You do? Spam me. Here.
And here comes Miami.
He's struggling for points. You got to make free throws.
Dwayne Wade trying to use a Doliak screen. Shot clock winds down to 8. Wade ties the guns off the spin, and he has 4.
Not very many for Dwayne Wade. When Shaq's out of the game, Miami's going to struggle to score out there. They don't have Shaq's non-presence in the game right now. They can attack the whip at will.
Stop. Stop. Hmm.
You need to sit down there with Julian. I don't want to say just your eyes. Sit down there with
This
Julian.
for ads.
No. I want to see Julian too.
Sit with Julian, Christian. Play with Julian. He has played
Come
toy
on.
with you.
All right. We know you do a good Bruce Lee imitation. Sit down now.
Play with your toys. And we take you.
Sing a song.
E B C I D. God is so good. Go Pirates.
Wait, sing the whole song. Sing the whole song. Sing more.
Go Pirates.
You
Go
sang
go
that one.
Pirates.
You already
Go
sang
go
that.
Pirates.
Sing another one.
Go Pirates. Go Pirates. Go Pirates. You see, I see. Do it, Julian, with your hand. Do it, Julian. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Move back, Christian.
Obviously.
Julian says move back. He wants to see too. Okay. Stop it. I'm not going to videotape you anymore.
Let me. This too. Good, so good.
Move back. Move back.
Defense by Rashid on the initial thrust by Shaq.
Move back.